woods. Way over there past those woods. Oh yeah. He's mowing. He's mowing. Right now. Go up there. So that's our property way back there, about 100 feet in the woods over there. And then this way, let me back it up here. Show you how far down this goes. Hang on to your shorts. This thing. Hang on there. Okay, put in this hand. And that's about, our property goes quite a ways that way. Okay, goes past the house is right about in that clump of trees there. There's 20 acres here. This is about 15 here. Here we go. Oh, that's a pretty view. That's a pretty view right there. How you doing, honey?
Well, my love.
You're doing great, yeah. You're doing a better job than the other guy did.
Well, he was. What is that kicking?
What's that?
Oh, all right.
It's my toy over there.
I thought maybe something was some timer was clicking.
Nope, that's my toy.
The ground's not too even out here, huh?
Yeah, I go slow.
Nice and slow. Yeah,
Slow
I got
and
to
steady,
buck it down
wins
a
the
little
ways.
bit. If I hit a large stump or a rock,
Yeah, just
it's
go.
gonna tell me right away.
Yeah.
So,
Don't forget you got the bucket to get you out of a
out of
situation.
mess, that's
Yep.
right. If I get.
Yep, and make sure you lift the brush hog up before you do anything with the bucket.
Yeah.
All right, how you doing? You like it?
I love it.
Do you?
I mean,
Look at all this he's got to do.
Tenth of an hour. And I ran what up and
Twice,
down
yep.
about 2 or 3. Well, 2 and
You'll
a half
have this
hours.
done in a week if you wanted to.
No, I think I could have it done in about 2 or 3 days.
Yeah, that's great, baby.
So,
That's
unfortunately,
wonderful.
the rain's coming tonight, so
Well, get as much done as you can now. It's only 2:30.
it's only 2:30 right now.
Yeah.
I thought it was maybe 3:30.
Keep on going. I'll go ahead and feed. I'll take care of the animals. You just keep going until dark.
All right,
All right?
keep on going, though.
Okay, I'll take care of the animals. I love you too. I'll do the chores.
God's good.
All the
Yes,
time.
He is. He's blessed us beyond
Yep. Come.
beyond what I deserve.
Yep.
And I thank Him every day for this life.
Yep. We are blessed
Yes.
because we have each other. Give me your hand, love. Yep, that's right. Take that to the bank.
Yes. You little brat.
I am.
All right then.
Okay.
Happy trails.
To us. Ciao.
Ciao.
Look how pretty that is. That's so pretty. This is the property here. My honey's back there somewhere. I don't know where, but I don't see him. I don't see him nowhere. Let's go find him. Oh, he's down there. I'm up on the hill here. Yeah, he's right down there. It's like the Ponderosa, right? There he is, way down there. Getting this all plowed up. "20 acres is a lot, that's for sure." We have all those pine trees. Let me zoom it in a little bit. Some trees over there. So we're gonna leave those pine trees alone. All those pine trees are going to stay there. So we're going to have like a pine forest right there. Yeah, he's got a lot of mowing to do out here. Lots to keep him busy. Because we're going to be plowing. We're going to be plowing and putting hay in here. And we're going to probably put some more fields of corn and maybe sunflowers. But more of that later.